I'm Gabriel Gonzalez with MarineMax in St. Pete. Thank you for watching. We are on a 2021 Aviara 32. This is our brand new trade. This is the ultimate party vessel, and I'm going to show you why. So starting off back here, on our transom here, we have fold-up bar stools. So these, they call them stadium seating for 6. So these will all come up like this, actuated bar stools. So you can actually have 6 people sitting back here facing aft when you're anchored at the sandbar watching the family play. So beautiful design by Aviara. We all love it. Into the cockpit here, ample seating for all of your family, recessed cup holders, recessed grab handles. And here you'll notice actually that this boat has Klipsch audio. So that is the highest premium audio that they offer on this boat. It actually has speakers underneath the windshield that actually reverberates all of the sound so that you get that while you're driving. So this boat has a fridge, a cooler that pops out as well. This over here is your sink with a champagne well. And as we make our way up to the helm, as you can see, we have our joystick here with sky hook and autopilot. We have our Lenco automatic trim tab, so you can set it and forget it, and don't worry about if the boat is leaning to one side or you have too many people on one side. So super cool feature to have. Down below here, a rare thing to see in this class, this is a full stand-up head. And finishing off, we have our bow. This one has the optional bow pad to make it all a sun pad with a table as well. So this particular Aviara 32 is powered with twin 350 Verados. This one also has the joystick package on board, so easily sky hook yourself in a spot, get your lines ready, and then you can go into the dock. If you'd like more information, please give us a call. My name is Gabriel Gonzalez. My number is 863-370-1708. Thank you.